Very good morning to one and all. Today we are starting new lecture, new lesson. Actually, we had started one lesson, lesson number 4, computer lab rules and etiquettes. But because of Ganesh Chaturthi vacation, we couldn't complete the same. So I hope now you are ready for the studies. You have enjoyed Ganeshotsav. So today we are starting the second part of the same computer lab rules and etiquettes. So let's start. Health precautions while using computer. As we know that last time we have completed rules and etiquettes, moral values. Now health precautions while using computer. Why it is so important. Let's start. As you know that whenever we have to sit for a work, at that time we have to sit for a long time, so posture is really very important. If you are working on a computer for a long time, you may face some health problems in the long run. This can be avoided if you take proper and timely precautions which are mentioned below. First is use an adjustable chair so that the top edge of the monitor is at your eye level. The top edge of the monitor is at your eye level. You can see here. Okay. Or little bit it or little below it. Okay. Second, sit on the chair with your back straight. Sit on the chair with your back straight. It is very important to sit straight. Next, do not lean while typing. You should not lean while typing. You should sit in a straight posture only. Okay, or else it will create problem or it may start back pain as well. Okay, so avoid that in future. You need to sit straight while typing. You should not lean on keyboard or your keypad. Correct? Keep the legs straight. You can see here, keep the legs straight. You need to keep them straight so that they touch the ground, so that they can touch the ground properly. Bend the fingers less while typing. You should not bend your fingers while typing so that there is no strain on the fingers. So this is the proper way while typing. Okay, you should not bend your fingers unnecessarily. 6. The monitor should be at least 2 feet away. The monitor should be at least 2 feet away. So this distance should be 2 feet. Okay. 7. There should be a sufficient light. As we know that we are using screen. Okay. And because of which it creates strain on eyes. Okay. Whatever blue rays comes out of it, out of this display, it creates strain on our eyes. Okay, so there should be sufficient light in the room and the brightness of the screen should be more so that there is less strain on the eyes. Last, which is very important and one should do while using the computer or any other screen, blink your eyes often and look around to give rest to the eyes. Blink your eyes often and look around to give rest to the eyes. Just look here and there and blink your eyes purposely. Okay, so that there won't be any unnecessary strain on your eyes. So this is what you need to remember while using your computer. These health precautions are really very important. Okay, to maintain our proper health of our body as well as health of eyes, the important thing, our eyes. Okay, next let's check what is there. Technical precautions. In a computer, important and useful information and programs are stored which are required for future use. To keep them safe, we have to take certain precautions. So in that, the first thing which is very important, you must have seen this small machine, a battery, which is known as UPS, uninterrupted power supply, means continuous power supply, means continuous power supply. As an electronic machine, a computer requires a continuous supply of electric power for its working. Both hardware and software may be adversely affected if there is a sudden power failure. Like we live in villages, so we can't predict or we can't say that we'll get continuous power supply. Sometimes the power supply get disconnected suddenly and it may create problem to your computer system. Okay, hardware may get permanently damaged while software may get corrupted. To avoid this, we connect a device called UPS, uninterrupted power supply, to the computer. In case of a power failure, an UPS can supply power for some more time, allowing you to safely shut down the computer. This machine is actually a battery which gives you power for few minutes. Within few minutes you can close all the programs which are running in a safe mode and you can shut down your computer properly. So first technical precaution is that you should have UPS to the system so that you will get uninterrupted power supply during the power failures. It is really very important for the proper health of hardware and software, correct? So it is really important to install an UPS. Next, earthing. Okay, this is technical precaution number 2, earthing. Okay, earthing means you might have seen earthing. Okay, so earthing is essential for computers as it prevents us from getting shocks when the computer is powered on. Earthing should be done technically and perfectly. You can see this big pin is nothing but earthing. Okay, which is really very important, so we don't get any shock when the earthing is proper. So this earthing is really important. Without earthing we should not use the system. Next, computer virus. We know virus means what. Now we are fighting with coronavirus like that only. Sometimes the computer they also receive a virus. Okay, computer virus is a small program which infects the computer by corrupting the files and uses the computer memory without our knowledge. Virus enters the computer while surfing the net or through emails, as well as through infected floppies also, CDs and pen drives. The main source is internet and pen drive. From these two sources we get viruses. Antivirus programs are used to detect, you can see this McAfee, Avast, AVG, these Symantec, these are the antiviruses, okay, which we use to detect and remove viruses from a computer system. On detecting a virus, an antivirus program either removes the virus or deletes the infected file from the computer. This type of antivirus program automatically loads in the computer's memory when the computer is switched on and the infected file message is displayed on the screen. In order to keep our computer free from viruses, we have to install the antivirus programs like Norton, AVG, IBM, Quick-Heal, etc. We have to regularly update the program so that we have the latest antivirus program installed. So this third technical precaution is that you should have good antivirus, updated one, and the complete copy of the same. You should not use pirated copy of computer virus. Okay, it is really very important because virus may corrupt the whole system and you might lose very important data of yours. So students, you need to take care of all these things while using computer system. These are the computer lab rules and etiquettes. Okay, we have seen rules and etiquettes, moral values, health precautions we have seen while using computer, technical precautions like UPS, earthing, computer virus, all these things are really very important while using the computer system. Okay, so what you have to do, in homework you have to complete all the questions on page number 40 and 41. You have to complete all these questions and send it to me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video so patiently and carefully. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day to all of you.